Hey, a while back I created this SEO tool list. I want to show it to you. There's about 200 items in it. Let's go check it out. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out. All right, so this is the list. There's about 200 different items in here, and I've broken everything down by the type of item, the type of software. So we have things in a category up here. So SEO suites, all-inclusive programs, influencer authority, analytics, on-site analysis and optimization, local SEO analysis, competitive SEO analysis, keyword tools, strategy, SERP and rank testing, blogger outreach, blog promotion, guest post databases, PR outreach, link reporting tools, off-site link analysis, link prospecting tools, and link trust checkers, and penalty testing and embed code tools. If you're not a developer, that might be handy. And the reason for that is why you might want to do that for SEO is to have someone, give somebody a simple embed code so that they can embed something into their website, pointing back to your website. So, and then WordPress plugins that fit the SEO world. So real quick, let's take a look at one of my favorite SEO tools. It's called Mangools, and if you have not heard of Mangools, it's a really good option. It's kind of like SEMrush. It has a lot of the same tools. You can do keyword analysis. And it gives you, you search, it gives you a list of similar keywords based on your search. It gives you an estimated search, which I believe comes from Bing. And then they give you a keyword difficulty, which is based off of the first page results from Google. And it analyzes the site, each site, and it comes up with a linked profile strength for each site. And then it will, make this score based off of the scores that show up here. So there's that. Does other things as well. You can track your SERP rankings, on an ongoing basis. This is their pricing. It's actually really not that bad, especially on an annual basis, which I would recommend. You should definitely get some savings there. So definitely check that out. There should be a link in the bio, and it comes with these 5 different tools here: Keyword Finder, SERP Checker, the SERP Watcher, which I mentioned, Link Miner, which allows you to look at competitor websites and find low-hanging fruit for backlinks, and then Site Profiler, which allows you to kind of get a good estimate of a site, right off the bat. This is also good if you're an agency or you're doing any type of work on someone's website as an SEO. You can print that report out, export it, and send that to your clients. So check out Mangools, link in the description. Click that. I do get commissions if you purchase. So full disclosure. All right, thanks. Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.